from South Yorkshire. So I am a singer. I've been in the professional industry for 15 years. It's taken me, over 15 years. It's taken me all over the world. It took me as part of the group that I'm in onto Britain's Got Talent 2 years ago when we got to the final, so it was very successful. And I'm also the owner of the Voice Academy, which is based in Rotherham, and we do have a studio in Sheffield, which offers singing lessons to everybody in voice coaching, to people of all ages and abilities, children, adults, everybody. So when I decided I wanted to expand my business, I needed a room renovating in my studios. And so I went onto social media and put on a post asking for recommendations for renovation companies. And Fletchers came up a few times from different comments. And that's how I heard about them, and I contacted them through Facebook. So the reason why I chose Fletchers, I did contact a few that were recommended to me. But I just found Fletchers to be the quickest at getting back, the most efficient at responding, very competitive on price, and I just had a good feeling about it. The work was going to be done quickly, and yeah, just wanted to go ahead with Fletchers. I had a good feeling about them. So the room that I wanted renovating before was an upstairs, just a toilet with a sink. And a room attached to it which I was using as a changing room for my studio, and it wasn't a room that I was particularly using because we've got a bathroom downstairs on the property, and with me having to expand, we already had 4 vocal coaches. I needed a 5th vocal coach, so we needed an extra studio. So I basically wanted that bathroom and waiting area to be made into a functioning studio. So the work I had done, Fletchers took out the adjoining wall between the changing room and the bathroom. They took out the toilet, they took out the sink, they blocked off all the plumbing. They centralised the light, because I had 2 light fixtures in there, so they centralised it into the room, and they also laid the flooring down for me as well. So the overall experience for using Fletchers was very, very good. They finished everything to very high standards. Everything was done very, very quickly, very, very efficiently. I felt like Jason couldn't do enough. He was there on time, he was there working hard, he did it all very, very quickly. I think it was in 3 days, he did everything all finished and very, very clean afterwards. Nothing was too much, like I was doing some DIY work, just building some furniture to put into the studio, and Jason thought, oh, I'll help you with that, so just help me finish it off. So nothing was too much for him. So I'm looking at potentially having some more work done in my main studio downstairs, and I would definitely be asking Fletchers to do that work for me. I would definitely recommend Fletchers to family and friends. They're very efficient, very cost effective, and yeah, overall a really great company. It looks so much bigger than what I did, because before you went in here and then this was a room and there was a wall across there, and then this was just a small waiting area, and then that was the toilet and the sink, wasn't it? So what I think just opening up and having that wall taken out just makes the space look so much bigger. It's great for what you want, because when you're teaching vocals, you don't need a huge amount of space, but you need it to be comfortable. And the room before, if I would have kept that bathroom and toilet, the one didn't have a window, and it was just that really pokey and closed in. It wasn't a good space for doing things like that, and it wasn't you need that light, you need that air, and you need a good space. So this is a really nice space. It's just ideal for what we needed it for, really. Like I said, finished to high standard.